Thanks for joining us on Local Edition. Glad you're back. My name is Brad Pomerance. Our guest is Mary Sanders. She is a community liaison for 211 LA County. For those of us that don't know about 211, what is it?
Well, 211 is a number that people that live in Los Angeles County can call.
The whole county.
The whole county.
Whether you're in an incorporated area or not, all 10 million county residents.
Absolutely.
Tell us about it.
Can call 211 to get access to health and human services.
So be specific exactly. Let me explain why I ask. I live in the city of Los Angeles, and I have used 311, which is kind of a non-emergency number if I need city services. Yours is different than 311, clearly.
Yes, it is. Well, if you live in the city of Los Angeles, you got dial 311. You get access to city services. If you live outside of Los Angeles, you dial 211, and then we provide services or information about services in the rest of the cities.
But some of the services that I would need to access, even though I'm a city and county resident, are county services. So if I called 311, they wouldn't be able to help me. They'd send me to 211 in the final analysis. So if you can be as specific as possible as to when we would call 211, what exact services are you providing?
Well, we provide services for people who need help, basically. It could be emergency food, it could be shelter, legal services, all of those types of services that people right now really need. We have a lot of high unemployment, so we can provide information about where you can go for employment training, employment services. I mean, so any kind of services that has anything to do with social services, you would call 211 in addition to your county programs as well.
Utility bills.
Utility bill assistance.
And I think a simple way to say it is, we may not realize it, but the county is an arm of the state. The city is not. And so whenever you need to access state services, you're really starting at the county. And that's why I think the distinction needs to be made, because there could be a lot of confusion. Talk to me about how 211 can help and has helped during emergencies or disasters.
Well, we actually, since we have a contract with the county, we are the public information line when there's a disaster or an emergency. So people can call us and we can tell you road closures, school closures. If it's a situation where they have shelters, we can tell you where the shelters are, whether you need to be evacuated from your home.
So I think about recently there was a major windstorm in the San Gabriel Valley. Yes, parts of those areas are incorporated, but really the county response is key, and that's where we can turn to 211 to assist with those very serious events. I was amazed to hear that 211 has been around for quite some time.
Absolutely. We've been around for 30 years. That's amazing.
Which really is, but I'm glad you're here to get the news out. The beautiful thing about Los Angeles County is we are a melting pot. We are the gateway to the Pacific. A lot of Eastern Europeans, Africa, whatever it is. And so a lot of languages are spoken in Los Angeles County. If we are not English language speakers, can we still access services at 211?
Absolutely, and we take that in consideration because of what you just said. It's a melting pot. We have all kinds of people speaking different languages, so we could provide the services in 140 languages.
Which is unbelievable.
Well, we have a language line that we tie into.
It doesn't matter. It really says a lot about what the county is trying to do to incorporate the mosaic that is Los Angeles County. Talk to me about the human service agencies and all the programs that can be attached to it, because I understand there's 5,000 human service agencies, 49,000 programs. I mean, this really is a one-stop shop for accessing county and state services.
Oh, absolutely. When we have that database, it's 5,000, as you just mentioned, 5,000 programs. That means that's county, state, federal, and all your nonprofits is in that database.
211, call it if you need access to county services. My name is Brad Pomerance. It's Mary Sanders. Thanks for joining us. Back to HLN.